What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the top 3 must-have apps for YouTubers. Alright, this is part 2. If you guys want to see part 1, I made a video on this a while ago. It'll be in the comments below, description I think, and also in the end screen or in the cards. So it's going to be everywhere if you guys want to see part 1. But this is part 2. There's newer apps, and these are apps that I actually use as a YouTuber. So let's get straight to it. So with app here number 1, it's called Whitey Tracker. Now this app, there's a lot of things to this app. It's free, and there's also a pro version, but you can actually do a lot of things with it being free. So here in the home screen, you guys can see the subscribers that you guys have and the watch time that you guys actually have for the last 12 months, which can be really good for a beginner YouTuber to know your watch time. Now here, you click this icon right here, the camera icon, and this is what I love about this app and why I use it so much. You can basically make a Instagram stories post, also for Snapchat as well, or you can make a square post for Instagram simply by just using one of their templates. And it's what I love about it is that after you guys click a template, you guys click right here to tap to customize, and then you guys have to, before you even do this, you guys gotta connect your YouTube channel. So after you can connect your YouTube channel, after you guys click that, it'll show you your latest videos that you guys have. So you click the video that you guys want to promote. So obviously I want to promote my latest one. Click on that and boom, it has it right there. Now for the back shot, you guys can use one of their overlays, or you guys can actually use one of your own photos. I'm gonna use one of theirs right here, like that. New video. Then all you guys gotta do is press save, and just like that, it saves it to your camera roll. Now obviously looking at it right now, it looks kind of, it looks kind of blank. It doesn't look that good, but once you guys go to stories on Instagram, you guys can edit it to your liking. You guys can even put like a sticker over the watermark and all that stuff and just customize it to look amazing. But the main thing here is that they let you add your thumbnail, your video thumbnail here, so people can look and see. And that's really cool. And they have other really cool templates here, like this one right here, where you guys can look and boom, you guys can post that on your Instagram page for your YouTube channel. And there's this one right here, which is actually pretty cool, but it's for the pro version. Now other cool things that this app has are challenges here. You guys can make a challenge for, you know, new subscribers, more watch time, upload new videos, gain more views, just cool things to make sure that you guys are on task. Here in the profile, you guys can see the videos that you guys uploaded, the total video you guys uploaded, your total views, and your watch hours from the last 12 months. On this next tab, it says grow, and you guys can press here and it says audience retention, and you guys can see the the video length, the average video length based on your last 3 videos. So next one is probably the most important one. It says your average view duration based on your last 3 videos. So this basically means the average duration that somebody stayed on your video to watch it. So for me, it's 33 seconds, which is actually not that bad. A lot of people, go on your video and just like hop out of it, like, in 2 seconds. And then the next one is your average view percentage based on your last 3 videos, 16.8%. It's not that bad. And then if you get the pro version, it tells you exactly per video the stats for it. So it's pretty cool if you guys are a YouTuber, and I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description below. Alright, on to the next app. It's this one right here called Whitey Sticker. Now Whitey Sticker, if you guys haven't heard about Instagram stickers, you guys can basically go on your stories and put a sticker. So this one, it lets you basically make a sticker for your YouTube video. So if you guys want to promote your video on your stories, so let's say right here, I want to get the sticker for this video, boom, you have the option to hide the title, or you have the option to show channel name, all that stuff. So you guys can see, copy it to your clipboard. Alright, sticker copy. Then after that, you guys are gonna go to Instagram, and then here on Instagram, as you guys can see, I actually put that from the last app. You're basically gonna want to click here, and then you're gonna click right here, gonna hold on it and then press paste, and boom, just like that, you have your sticker for your YouTube video that you guys literally just made. You can adjust it, put it any guys way you guys want it, and edit your story and basically post it, and it's that simple. They also have other stickers here like new video, don't miss this, a lot of cool stickers, 10k subs. So once you guys reach a milestone that you guys reach, you guys can click on it, it's copies, and then all you gotta basically do is go right here, hold a little bit, and then press paste, and just like that. It's really good for promoting your channel and your videos. Definitely recommend it. Other things this app has, it tells you here at the top your subscribers, your views, the amount of videos you have. And yeah, this app basically just has that for your YouTube stickers on Instagram, as for your channels, and some other cool stickers here. So on to the last app, and the last app is on to the last app, and the last app is called Thumbnail Maker for YouTuber, and it's probably the best thumbnail maker for YouTube for your iPhone and Android. So after you guys download, it's gonna be in the description below. All you guys gotta go is right here to Thumbnail Maker. Now this also has other makers too, so it's not just for thumbnails. You can see right here there's a lot of cool templates. I'm gonna choose the regular one. Click right here for your photo to add a photo. It's gonna take you to your gallery, and here you have the option to, you know, adjust it anywhere that you guys want it to. Put it like that. You can add the stroke, which is really cool because it looks like a border. You can add the blur to it. You can also add the color, and obviously, you know, this doesn't look that good, but you guys want to spend, you know, more time making your thumbnails. Let's put right here YouTube video. Alright, so right here you can use the text, and what's cool, there's a lot of different types of text here that kind of stand out. After you're done, you basically just go right here, save picture, and then it'll be saved to your photo gallery, and it actually uploaded to YouTube on your phone actually. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. And yeah, those are the top 3 apps right now for part 2 of the top 3 must-have apps for a YouTuber. And look out for part 3. Click on any of the videos on the end screen and in the comments below. Leave a comment if you guys have a question or something to say. Like, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.